When calculating data with WPS Spreadsheet, the error message number div over 0 will come to us from time to time. What caused the mistake, and how can we remove it? Take this table as an example. For example, when we want to calculate the unit price of pencils, we can enter equals C3 over D3 in cell E3, and the calculation result will show the error value number div over 0. This is because in this division operation, the denominator is 0, which leads to the calculation error. When we drop down and fill in the calculation result, we will find that the error value also occurs when the denominator is a blank. If the table contains mass data, we can use the if function to judge. For example, enter the following formula in cell F3, equals if D3 equals 0, comma, denominator cannot be 0, comma, C3 over D3. The if function will determine whether the value in D3 cell is 0. If true, it will return the denominator cannot be 0. If false, it'll return the result of C3 divided by D3. Note, double quotation marks should be added to text. Of course, we can also customize the return value. In addition, the error value number div over 0 might occur when calculating the average value. Take this score sheet as an example. We want to find out the average grade of students whose physics scores are lower than 60 and enter the following formula in cell H2, equals average if F2 through F15, comma, less than 60. This means that the average if function is used to calculate whether the average value of cells in F2 through F15 meets the condition of less than 60. Click Enter. Then you can see that number div over 0 appears in cell H2 because there are no cells in F2 through F15 that meets the condition of less than 60. Therefore, if the divisor is 0, the error value number div over 0 will appear. We can avoid such mistakes through today's tutorial.